In this video, I will be discussing light and color theory in 3D environments, shading models for realistic texture and shadows, lighting techniques, which is points, lights, spotlights, etc. Light and color theory in 3D environments. In 3D environments, light and color play a crucial role in creating realistic and visually appealing scenes. Light interacts with objects in environment, influencing their appearance and color. Color theory explore how different color combines and interact with light, affecting the perceived mood, atmosphere, and realism of the scenes. Shading models for realistic texture and shadows. Shading models determine how lights interact with surfaces in 3D scene to produce realistic texture and shadows. These models simulate how light is reflected, absorbed, and transmitted by surfaces, taking into account factors such as surface, roughness, material properties, and light source. Common shading models include Phong shading, blend Phong shading, and physically based rendering (PBR) models, which aim to accurately simulate real-world lighting conditions. Lighting techniques. Lighting techniques involve the placement and configuration of light source within a 3D environment to achieve desired effects. Different types of light source such as point lights, spotlights, directional lights, and area lights produce varying illumination patterns and shadows. Lighting techniques also include concepts such as ambient lighting, specular highlights, and attenuation, which contribute to the overall lighting and atmosphere of the scene. By carefully controlling lighting parameters, 3D artists can create visually stunning and immersive environments in computer graphics.